The hidden engine of every project, every successful project, depends on how effectively its resources are used. Scope, time, and cost may be the three pillars of project management, but resources are the fuel that moves the project forward. Resources include people, skills, time, budget, knowledge, tools, equipment, and technology. Traditionally, resource management relied on intuition, experience, and spreadsheets. But modern projects are fast, complex, hybrid, global, and constantly changing. This is where artificial intelligence, AI, transforms resource management. AI turns resource allocation from a reactive exercise into a predictive, intelligent, and optimized strategy. It doesn't just help project managers manage resources, it helps them forecast problems, optimize cost, match skills, improve performance, and prevent burnout before it happens. Why traditional resource management fails? Traditional resource management was built for a world that no longer exists. It was created for predictable projects, fixed scopes, single location teams, and linear workflows. Today's environment is completely different: hybrid teams, fast-changing requirements, global collaboration, agile workflows, unexpected risks, and rapidly shifting priorities. Yet many organizations still use outdated tools and fragmented methods to manage their most valuable assets: people, time, budget, and capabilities. Here are the core reasons why traditional resource management fails. 1. It relies too much on gut feeling instead of data. Project managers often assign tasks based on intuition, past experiences, or limited visibility. Without real-time insights into workload, skill availability, and capacity, decisions become reactive instead of strategic. This leads to poor allocation and inconsistent performance. 2. Spreadsheets are static, but projects are dynamic. Excel files and manual charts cannot adapt to sudden changes in priorities, delays, or staffing needs. They don't automatically update when a resource becomes overloaded, unavailable, or disengaged. As a result, teams lose precious time reacting to problems instead of preventing them. 3. Hidden overload and silent burnout. Team members often accept additional tasks even when they are already over capacity. Traditional systems don't detect cognitive overload, context switching, or emotional fatigue. Burnout silently builds up. Projects move forward on paper, but performance drops in reality. 4. Skill mismatches and underutilization. Many organizations struggle to map the right skill to the right task. Senior specialists may end up doing simple work, while less experienced members face tasks beyond their capacity. This result is a waste of talent and frustration across the team. 5. Lack of predictive planning. Traditional methods only track what has happened, they do not anticipate what will happen next. Without forecasting models, PMs cannot see upcoming resource shortages, skill gaps, or workload spikes. They realize problems after they occur, when it's too late. 6. Team members become hours instead of humans. Most conventional resource plans view people as number blocks on a calendar. This ignores personal strengths, learning speed, team chemistry, motivation patterns, and collaboration behavior. Projects are executed by humans, not by cells on a spreadsheet. 7. No real-time collaboration. Visibility. In modern hybrid teams, people work across time zones, tools, channels, and platforms. Traditional resource management fails to track collaboration in real time. Who is helping whom? Who is stuck? Who is losing motivation? Without visibility, managers operate blindly. 8. Reactive instead of proactive decision-making. When a resource issue appears, it is already too late. Traditional management waits for problems, shift deadlines, request more staff, or push overtime. This approach leads to higher costs, lower morale, and weaker delivery. 9. One-size-fits-all allocation. Traditional planning assumes that every hour spent is equal. But in reality, personality, skill depth, speed of learning, and collaboration style affect output quality. Two people may both have 40 working hours, but produce dramatically different results. 10. Inability to learn from past projects. Resource planning is often recreated from scratch for every project, even when patterns repeat. Traditional systems lack data-driven feedback loops. They don't learn, evolve, or improve with time. The same mistakes happen again in future projects. The result? Projects become unpredictable. Teams lose trust. Stakeholders become frustrated. Costs increase. Delivery slows down. Talent leaves. Meanwhile, project managers get blamed for things they can't even see, because the system gives them insight only after impact. The turning point: traditional methods are reaching their limit. Modern projects need visibility, prediction, adaptability, and optimization, which cannot be achieved with spreadsheets and human intuition alone. This failure is not the PM's fault. It is the consequence of managing a modern world with outdated tools. This is exactly where AI-powered resource management begins. It doesn't just manage resources, it learns them, matches them, forecasts them, and enhances them. The shift from resource management to resource intelligence to AI introduces a new era of resource intelligence. First, it brings real-time visibility by connecting multiple sources: calendars, workload trackers, HR tools, Jira, Teams, Slack, and builds a live resource availability map. Project managers can instantly see who is overloaded, who is free, and who is the best match for upcoming tasks. AI also provides intelligent skill matching. It identifies the most suitable person for each task by analyzing skills, past performance, learning speed, and collaboration behavior. This prevents frustration, improves quality, and accelerates delivery. Next, predictive workload forecasting becomes possible. Instead of waiting for problems, AI predicts staffing needs weeks or months ahead using data patterns from similar projects. It warns project managers before a team becomes overworked or before bottlenecks arrive, turning resource planning into a proactive process. Another major breakthrough is AI-driven capacity planning, where the system analyzes workloads and generates alerts like, in 3 weeks, the design team will exceed capacity by 37%. Consider adding 2 UX resources. This transforms decision-making from intuition to evidence. Finally, cost optimization becomes smarter. AI identifies whether tasks can be assigned to lower cost but equally skilled resources. It can even simulate budget scenarios and staffing strategies, helping PMs test decisions before spending any money. AI is a co-pilot, not a replacement. AI is not a threat to project managers. It is a co-pilot that eliminates blind spots. Project managers still provide leadership, stakeholder communication, risk analysis, and human judgment. AI simply performs what humans cannot do at speed: data crunching, prediction, optimization, and scenario simulation. The modern project manager is augmented by AI, not replaced by it. Together, they create a combination of data-driven accuracy plus human strategic thinking, an unbeatable advantage. A practical workflow for AI-powered resource management. The workflow of AI-based resource management generally follows 6 steps. First, all resource data is collected: calendars, availability, skills, performance history, timesheets, workload patterns, and tool usage. Then, AI builds competency profiles for each resource, mapping strengths, soft skills, suitable roles, and collaboration patterns. Next comes forecasting, where AI analyzes upcoming tasks and estimates the needed effort before the work even begins. After that, tasks are matched to the best resources, focusing on human capability, not just hour allocation. AI continues monitoring performance and generates improvement suggestions, role adjustments, or learning recommendations. The process is continuous. Resources evolve along with the project. Strategic benefits for project managers. AI eliminates the stress of last-minute hiring by forecasting resource gaps in advance. It improves performance reviews because it connects resource behavior with project outcomes, giving data-backed justification for evaluation. It protects teams from burnout by detecting overload indicators before they appear. It also makes stakeholder negotiation stronger. Instead of explaining, project managers can present live evidence and predictive data. Cross-functional teams become more effective because AI detects compatibility and collaboration patterns between members. The result is less friction, stronger teamwork, and higher output quality. The future, autonomous resource management. The next evolution will be self-adjusting project teams. I will recommend who needs training, who should switch roles, and which teams work best together. It will propose dynamic staffing based on time zones, local availability, and risk levels. Resource management will move beyond planning and become flow orchestration, where AI continuously optimizes the entire human system, just like navigation software optimizes routes in real time. The PM of the future AI will not eliminate the project manager. It will eliminate weak project management. The PM of tomorrow will not just assign tasks, they will orchestrate human potential with AI-powered intelligence. I will predict. Humans will decide, teams will execute. That is the new triangle of successful delivery. Resource management is no longer a static spreadsheet. It is becoming a living, adaptive system, fueled by data, guided by AI, and led by people who understand both technology and human behavior. The future of resource management is not control, it is intelligence. And the project managers who master it will dominate the next decade of project delivery. Traditional resource management is not failing because project managers are weak, it's failing because the world has changed, but the tools have not. If we keep using spreadsheets, guesswork, and reactive planning, we will continue to repeat the same problems: burnout, delays, budget leakage, skill waste, and project instability. But when we start using AI-powered resource intelligence, everything changes. We allocate smarter. We prevent burnout. We match skills with precision. We predict problems before they appear. We use resources like strategists, not firefighters. The best time to evolve your resource management strategy is now. Because the PMs who master AI will become the leaders of the next decade. Ready for the next step?